Hi, my name is Steven, and today I'm going to show you how to make a custom collider for your 3D model and upload it into Muse. Let's get started. First, I want to show you our automated collision feature. With your Builder wand open, you can add a collider model idea and upload any 3D model to it. Here, I'm just going to use a preloaded model from our content library. As you can see, you can walk through the model since there are no collisions turned on by default. If you click on your model again, you'll see the Enable Collision setting. You can turn this on, and Muse will automatically add collider boxes to the bounding box of your model. This is a fast and effective way to get colliders applied to your 3D models. You can lower or raise the try limit to get more accurate results. A lower try limit will create a more boxy collision, whereas a higher try limit can hold more true to the shape of your model. Again, great for getting collisions loaded in quickly. However, if you're aiming to achieve more precise and accurate collisions to your model, we recommend building your own custom collider inside of your model before uploading it to Muse. I'm going to show you how I do this inside of Blender for a model like this, where I expect to be able to walk up the stairs, stand on top, and walk underneath. As you can see, our automatic collider option does not precisely calculate collisions for walking up the stairs, underneath the terrace, and ultimately breaks immersion of this world. For getting more precise collisions, we're going to need to build a custom collider. Using 3D modeling software, such as Blender, we can import our model and create a custom collider mesh. I like to start by adding a simple plane to my scene and building where I want my colliders to be from there. Anywhere that my collider mesh covers will be registered as a collision inside of Muse. For this model in particular, I'm going to expand my plane to cover the stairs leading up to the terrace, and then cover the terrace so visitors can walk around on top of it. I have my collider plane covering the stairs, the terrace up top, and now I'm going to cover the railings. I'm going to fine-tune the planes and edges that I want my collider to cover so that no parts of my model are left uncovered for visitors to potentially walk inside of. That will do great. Now that I have my collider mesh covering all the parts of my model that I want it to, I can prepare this model for export. In order for Muse to register the collider mesh you've just built, you must name the mesh Collider, all undercase. We can now export this as a GLB and upload it to the collider model inside our Muse world. Back inside Muse, we can re-upload the model we just built inside of the collider model idea. We can now click the Enable Collision setting, and Muse will register the mesh we just built as the collider associated with that model. We can hide the collision mesh and use our model as expected. Building custom colliders gives you control to create more immersive experiences. It's even how we serve a few of our templates at Muse. We can't wait to see what you create. Happy building!